my PUC first year art students. I am welcoming to my online classes of subject history. Today we shall discuss the chapter number 1, that is introduction. And this chapter we are going to study the various points. First one, 1.1, meaning of history. What is history? History is one of the greatest branches of human knowledge. The term history has been derived from the Greek word historia. Historia means inquiry or investigation. The word itihasa in Sanskrit, its meaning what? Definite events that have occurred. The purpose of history is to seek truth. This is a very important. What is the main purpose of history? To seek truth. Broadly speaking, history is the subject dealing with all aspects of human life. The Greeks were the first to evolve the art of writing history as a scientific discipline. Herodotus, a Greek historian, is believed to have initiated the writing of history, and hence he has been regarded as the father of history. I think all of you know that Herodotus is the father of history. Okay, next definition regarding history. Many historians mention their definitions about history. What is history? Generally, history is understood as a record of past events. Okay, history means what? It is the record of past events. There is no universally accepted definition of history. It has been defined differently by different scholars. From Herodotus to Will Durant, an American historian, various historians have defined history in different angles. Here, many scholars and historians presents their definitions about history in different angles. First, we shall see the definition and meaning of history according to Herodotus. Herodotus was a Greek historian who lived in the 5th century BCE. He has contributed richly to history and anthropology. He traveled in Greece and West Asia. He collected information of the Greek city states and wrote 9 volumes. Among them, the history of Persian Wars deals with the war between Persians and Greeks. His work was the earliest writing on history. He was the first to state the meaning and scope of history. According to Herodotus, what is history? History is a record of great heroes and unique events to be remembered by the future generations. This is the very important definition given by Herodotus. Listen once again. History is a record of great heroes and unique events to be remembered by the future generations. Let us see in this definition, Herodotus has focused his thoughts on the achievements of great men and important events from which the succeeding generations can learn. Next, Saint Augustine. Saint Augustine was a Christian saint and a profound thinker. He was the greatest among the church historiographers of the medieval period. His work, The City of God. The City of God is considered as one of the greatest works in the world. According to Augustine, what is history? Definition about history. History is the story of the struggle between God and Satan, which would ultimately end in the victory of God. God means here good over Satan. Satan means evil. Listen once again. History is the story of the struggle between God and Satan, which would ultimately end in the victory of God over Satan. Saint Augustine, being a church historiographer, gave more important give more importance to miracles and saints in his writings. He strongly believed that human history was guided by God. History in the medieval Europe was the monopoly of the church, meant for several centuries. They used both secular and religious histories as an instrument to popularize the church faith. Next, another one historian, and and also he was a great philosopher, economist, sociologist, journalist, and a revolutionary socialist. His name Karl Marx. His idea his ideas played a significant role in the establishment of the social sciences and the development of the socialist movement. He is also considered as one of the greatest economists in history. He enunciated a new economic interpretation of the definition of history. According to Karl Marx, history is a story of the struggle between the haves and have nots. Listen once again. History is a story of the struggle between the haves and have nots. In this definition, Marx emphasizes on the struggle between the haves and the have nots, that is, the rich and the poor. From starting to till now, you can see struggle are occurring in between rich and poor peoples. He argues that there is a constant conflict between the exploiters and exploited. He wrote two great works, that is Das Kapital and Communist Manifesto. These are very important two great works written by Karl Marx. First one is Das Kapital and Communist Manifesto. In today's lesson, we have discussed about meaning of history and some definitions according to some historians and scholars. In next class, we shall continue this chapter. Now I hope all of you understood. Thank you for watching and listening.